The purpose of this warm-up quiz is to get students working as soon as the tardy bell sounds. It also provides students with practice on previous math topics. This timer will count down for them to begin the quiz in class. The warm-up quiz answers are coming up next after all students have picked up their paper at my desk, where I have photographed each one. These answers are 5 points each. In the long boxes, the short boxes are 1 point each. The lottery is 21914. The following are the solutions to the previous school day's homework. Students will get 100 points if they show all work for all problems. Students will get extra points for any correct answers they obtain. All student work is photographed before they check their own paper. For number 1, it's -7 or 8. Number 2 is -6 or 4. 3 is 3 or 5. 4 is -10 or 4. 5 is -4 or 7. 6 is -1 or -9. 7 is -7 or 11. 8 is -8 or 3. 9 is -8 or -6. 10 is -4 or 16. If you have any questions, you can tell me now and we'll go back to the slide that you need to see. The following are extra credit answers for the assignment that was given as extra credit with the previous homework assignment. Answers for the extra credit, these will be 2 points each. 2 points each. Number 1 is -15 or 4. 2 is -12 or 4. 3 is simply 7. It shows up twice. 4 is -11 or 10. And 5 is -6 or 8. The YouTube bonus is -10 or -2. The objective for today is to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. You will have a test on Friday. The following is an example problem. What is the first thing I do on this particular problem, Carver?
You take your -72 and you put it on the other side to make it a +72.
Positive 72 on the right when you move the -72 over. Yes. And what do I do next? Just the very next step only, Garrett. And she's not here, so we'll go to Armstrong.
Find half of 6 squared.
Yeah, we need to find half of 6 and then square it. What is half of 6 squared? And that goes to Deerfield. What is half of 6 and then square it? Wilburn. 9 is right. So what do I do with that 9? Spradlin.
Yeah, you write x squared plus 6x plus 9 that equals 72 plus 9.
That's right. We add 9 to both sides. Okay, what is my next step? That goes to Hammond.
When you say x plus 3, can you put it in parentheses and square it?
That's right. We can write the perfect square trinomial as a square. The quantity squared of x plus 3, yes. What is the next step? Martin. What is the next step? Woodrow's not here, so what's the next step? Blevins D.
You add 72 and 9 to get 81.
That's right. It will be 81. Now, what is the next step? That goes to Bailey. He's not here. And Deems, what's the next step? Find the square root of both sides. That is right. What is the square root of the quantity squared of x plus 3? That goes to Boyd. X plus 3. And what is the square root of 81? That goes to Courtney. The square root of 89, or 81 is not 9. Blizzard, what's the square root of 81? Plus or minus 9 is right. So, what is my next step? That goes to Bradley. Yeah, x plus 3 equals 9, and what's the other equation I write? Yep, x plus 3 equals negative 9. Okay, what is the value of x in the equation on the left-hand side when you solve it? Haskins. Yeah, it is 6 because you would have 9 minus 3, which is 6. So what is the value of the equation on the right-hand side when you solve it? Baldridge.
Negative 12.
Negative 9 minus 3 is indeed a negative 12. The following is an example problem. First step on this problem is to move the minus 40 to the right and make it positive. Find half of the negative 3, that's negative 3 over 2, and square it to get positive 9 over 4 and add that to both sides. You can go ahead and write this as a perfect square on the left. X minus 3 over 2, square that quantity. On the right, you need a common denominator of 4, which means you would have multiplied 40 by 4 at some point to get 160, and then add the 9 to get 169. Put it over 4. Find the square root of both sides. That would be x minus 3 halves equals plus or minus 13 over 2. So you'll have x minus 3 halves equals 13 over 2. X minus 3 halves equals a negative 13 over 2. So x equals 13 over 2 plus 3 over 2, and then x would equal negative 13 over 2 plus 3 over 2. On the left-hand side, we're going to come up with 16 over 2. On the right, it is negative 10 over 2. So x equals 8 or x equals negative 5. Come on up. The following is a practice problem. This is a bonus problem for students who have completed their practice problem and still have time to do other work. For the bonus problem, we're going to have a to the third, which is 27. C minus a is a negative 2. To the fourth power is going to be 16 times 2 is 32. A to the second is going to be 9 times 2 is 18. 77 is the answer. This is a bonus problem for students that are finished with their practice problem and have time to do extra work. The answer to this is that first you must know the directions were to factor it. It does not say to solve it. If we factor this, we have x plus 9 times x minus 12. This is a bonus problem for students who have completed their practice problem. The answer is x plus 16, x minus 12 equals 0. The following is a practice problem. All students will be given enough time to complete their answer and bring it to the table. Here is the next practice problem. This one is x squared plus 12x minus 64 equals 0. For For the practice problem, you should have x squared plus 12x equals 64. Move the minus 64 over, make it positive. Find half of the middle term. Half of 12 is 6. Square the 6 to get 36 and add it to both sides. Make this a perfect square there on the left by writing the quantity squared of x plus 6. Set that equal to 100 and find the square root of both sides. You'll come up with x plus 6 equals positive or negative 10. Two equations to solve. X plus 6 equals 10. X plus 6 equals negative 10. So x is 10 minus 6, which is going to be 4. Or x is negative 10 minus 16, which is negative 16. The following is a bonus problem for all students who have completed the practice problem. The solution to the bonus is going to be x plus 14, x minus 15 equals 0. The following is a bonus problem for all students who have completed the practice problem. Solution to the bonus should be x plus 19 quantity squared equals 0, or you could have separated it as x plus 19, x plus 19. The purpose of the end of class quiz is to measure how well students learned the basic concepts of today's lesson. There are bonus problems for faster students and lottery options for all students. The end of class quiz answers are coming up next after all students have collected their paper from the table where I have photographed each one. Lottery numbers are 2, 6, 9, 10, 4. The following homework assignment is due on the next school day. Students must show all work to get full credit, which is 100 points. Extra points are given for correct answers. The following is an extra credit assignment. It is optional. Students wishing to earn extra points can try the assignment. They will get points based on correct answers. Congratulations, you have found the YouTube bonus, which is worth 20 points. Try the problem, show all work, do it on a separate sheet of paper. It will be asked for when we bring up the homework and the other extra credit. Thank you for watching this video from my classroom. Homework assignments can also be obtained at my website, which is www.skinnermoney.com.